guys, welcome to Zoe's V Family Channel, and me and Zoe today are gonna try the real food versus gummy food. Zoe, what do you hope to eat in this challenge? The real food or the gummy food?
Gummy food.
And I would like to eat the real food, so let's hope we will get what we want. So first we're gonna try rock, paper, scissors to play this first, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh, Manang wins. Manang gonna choose first.
Again.
No, she gonna choose first. What if Manang choose the real food?
No. I think she can play. You can pick it first. Pick it. Start to sense it, Zoe. Do this.
Okay.
That one.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Final answer?
Yes.
What if that's the real food?
I want this.
Okay, try to
I'll
open it.
get this one. 1,
3, 2, 1.
Go.
I got it.
Again.
It's okay. You can have mine. That's alright. Here we go. I got the real food. It's a sandwich. So we get the gummy sandwich. So let's try to eat it. I'll try mine. Oh, okay, sure. Oh, this is very hard. Grab. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna eat mine, guys. It's a ham and egg sandwich. Okay, I just ate lunch, so I'm not sure if I can finish this. I might
Show your
get
Zoe.
full.
You need to, I think you need to assemble it first.
Wait, what?
You look like a burger.
Look, guys. Yeah, I think this is broccoli. What is this? Is it good? Let me try mine. Guys. Look. I'm going to try it now.
Mga hayo, si Sabio.
Our editor made some. Here, have some.
The editor. Hi kay Mami. Mami, hi ta Mami.
And then I packed this for lunch.
It's really cold right now. So I don't think a sandwich will make this.
How is it? Which better, the real food or the gummy food? Zoe,
The
answer.
real food.
Both.
Both.
Yeah,
Hey.
That's nice.
You should finish it first before the second challenge.
I don't think I could do
You can say
Gummy food, both eating.
both eating.
Masog ako din. After lunch, I'll eat this later.
I will just eat this in the hotel.
You'll save it for later
Yeah, guys.
so that you're ready for the next challenge.
The second challenge now.
Are
Okay.
you going to do it in the hotel?
No, in here.
Hi guys, this is our second round now. Since the last round, I technically won the gummy, but me and Zoe traded it. So now it's our second round. So what do you hope Zoe to eat right now? The gummy food? Or wait, the gummy food or the real food?
Mami, can you fix
The
it?
gummy food or the real food?
The real food now.
You want to target the real food now?
Okay, let's have rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What?
Tie.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey, Manang win again.
Turn again.
Oh yeah, Manang turns again.
I think this one is for you.
Zoe, Manang's winner. So Manang should pick first.
I'll pick this one, okay?
Okay, wait in 3.
1, 3, 2, 1.
Open.
It's a hot dog, guys. You get that hot dog here. I ate the sandwich earlier. I'm still full. Okay. That's good. Okay.
Okay, try to try it. Zoe, have a hot dog.
Okay, guys, this is the sandwich. It has I think bacon. It has bacon, cheese, and you call this sausage or hot dog? Yeah, I'm gonna eat mine now. Wait, I'm gonna wait for Zoe. Let's try to eat it now.
So which is better, real food or gummy food, Zoe? Manang.
Gummy.
Oh.
So full. Are you ready for the third round? Oh my god. So, Zoe won this round for getting the gummy. Hi everyone, so that was the third round, and as you see in the last round, Zoe won the gummy food and I won the real food. So I really hope to get the gummy food this time because that actually means you get a point. So me and Zoe now are gonna play rock, paper, scissors, and
Rock, paper, scissors.
I will win in this game. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Zoe lost. Okay, Manang wins. Okay, Manang, you choose. Who's gonna pick first?
I will pick this one.
Okay, get your plate and then don't, Okay, open. Okay, 3. Okay, 3.
2, 1, go! So small! She gets the real fries, I got the gummies. Look how cute that is. It's so cute. It's like the size of my Anyways, wait, you're eating already? Anyways, we're gonna try it now. I'm gonna try this gummy if it's good. And yeah. Hey! It tastes sour. Really sour. But it tastes good, guys. Let's try Zoe's. Can I try yours? Ow.
You're switching it up.
Okay. Let's try this. Really cold.
It's yummy because it's
That's good. Editor, are you ready to eat? Yeah. Come here.
to the sister.
Yeah, guys, and now, hey, give me. Anyways, that's now the fourth round, guys. So yeah. Hi guys, it's now the fourth round, and we will be trying it now. As you can see, me and Zoe switch seats because she finds this more comfortable. And now we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors to see who will win it. Now, Zoe, I'm gonna ask this question again and again. Which food do you want? Gummy food or real food?
Gummy.
Your eyes!
Gummy.
Okay. I hope I will get the gummy this time because from all those rounds, I keep getting the real food. So, let's rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Zoe, when you choose where to pick first. That one, okay. And 3.
In 3, 2, 1. Hey! I got cold.
Hey.
I'm gonna open this now. It's my little
Hey.
This. Okay. You need help? Okay. That sounds so good. Play my little soda pop in the background, guys. Yeah. It's kind of sour though, but this is really good, but really too sweet. I prefer this one.
Soda pop. Okay, show the soda pop.
Go next. But the soda was in the background. Hey, yo!
Soda pop din.
Again. Let me see.
Wanna see? Hey, yo, that's Milo Soda Pop Dance! That's not Milo Soda Pop Dance!
Let's show the soda shake.
Bro! Would you like to trade? We're gonna trade, guys. I like RC. Let's try it now. This is much better than the gummy, guys. This is much better.
I just had a fries.
You had a fries? Zoe, are you ready now for the 5th round, or are you full?
I want the 5th round.
We have 3 more rounds, so let's see who will win in this kind of game. So, time for the 5th round, guys. See you. 2, 3, go. This is the second to the last round, guys, and I really hope, because from all those rounds, Zoe kept winning. Right, Zoe?
Yeah.
So we really need. This is the second to the last round, so we really need to make this a memorable thing.
So the gummy, and I did the gummy too.
Yeah, look, guys, there's so much gummy in the corner. Oh my gosh! All of my food that has been real food has been done with my sister. It's all in your tummy now, guys. So, me and Zoe will play rock, paper, scissors now. So, let's see who will win. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Manang win again. Manang, you choose if Zoe's gonna pick or you're gonna pick.
So we can pick.
Okay, Zoe, you choose. Where is it? You need to feel it first.
This one.
Are you sure about that? You don't wanna change your mind?
Wait.
Okay,
Before
3.
we open it, what do you
Count down.
The gummy food or the real food?
Gummy again.
Let's see.
3, 2.
1. Hey, no!
You got the real balot?
I have
What is
Kinder
that?
Joy. Wait,
What is that, Zoe? What is that?
It's Panoy. Balot or Panoy? It's Panoy, guys. I have the Kinder Joy. It's alright. I don't really like chocolate much, so I'll eat the Panoy. Do we have vinegar at least?
Yeah. You can toss it in the ocean.
Huh?
Just eat chocolate.
It's real, guys.
Daddy
I thought it was a raw egg for a second, but it's Panoy. So, yeah. Okay. This is saddening, guys. I thought I got this one, but it's alright. I gave it to my sister, and I'm gonna eat the Panoy. So yeah. Then
I'm
this is.
gonna open the toy first.
Yes, let's open the toy first to check. This is the toy. Let's see which toy she gets. It's from the girl's type.
I want
The penguin.
I want the penguin.
She wants the penguin, guys.
Because I don't know why penguins.
Need help? I'm gonna open my egg, guys. So, do we have vinegar? That's alright. So do you need help? From the big shell, you get a little egg. Whoa! What is this? Wait, let's show you guys the instruction. What is this? It's an octopus!
Octopussy!
Show it to the camera, show it to the camera.
Octopussy!
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat mine so I can get the point. So yeah. Zoe, will you eat yours? I'll eat
First,
mine.
I need to use the octopussy. My sister, can you help me?
Let's open it. Okay, I need the instructions, girl.
Girl, do you know what this looks like? I will just use the normal bandage for my pilas. Joke. I want these bandages to be in my body.
We've got the 2 tentacles now, and we need the head.
Tentacles.
Tentacles. Tentacles.
Pentacles. Pentacle.
Wait.
Pentacle. I speak English.
She has black, so you need to do the band-aid. We're done, guys. Show it to them. Show it to them. Show the vloggy.
Pentacle.
What is this called? What is this called?
Octopus.
Octopus.
See the shiny spinny and octopus.
It's so cute, guys, and they have stickers too. So this is what Zoe got. This is what she got. You can also play this in the game. So yeah, So now we have the last round, and I really hope I do get the gummy food, because from all those rounds I've been getting the real food and I'm getting pretty full. So Zoe, are you ready for the last and final round?
Yeah, but first I need to help the octopus.
We're gonna decorate the octopus, so we can just like time it now. So see you in the last round, guys. This is the final round, guys, and today I really hope to get the gummies now, because from all those rounds I've never been getting the gummy or actually eating. So Zoe, are you ready for the last rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Now, me and Zoe will play rock, paper, scissors, and who wins will pick. 1, 2, 3, go! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Manang will. Okay, yung Manang choose. Manang will choose or Zoe will choose?
I think I want to choose.
Okay, you choose Manang.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moomy, moomy, ngani, moo.
Okay. Okay, you should 3, 2, 1, open.
Oh!
Manang's favorite is burger. Now she wants some gummy, but a real burger is right there. Manang, open it, the real burger. Now she regrets it.
Zoe, can we trade?
What happened to the baby?
Can we trade?
What? I thought Manang wants the gummy burger, but his favorite is the real burger.
Yeah.
Bite of the satisfy.
I think the part.
It feels like heaven. So good. Oh wow, look, this is good. I'm really happy I got this instead. Yeah. So, wait, can you have a bite of yours now?
The wrong part. The wrong part, guys.
Oh, she's trying to eat them all, guys. Oh. Is that good now? Yeah, enough. Should we end the video now? 1, 2. So this is the end of the video, guys. Please watch the boat from the to go, and you will really actually like that boat ride. So yeah, bye. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.